Hey, how's it going? It's your boy Michael Della Cruz from succeedwithmichael.com. And you may be asking, does affiliate marketing work? And if so, how do you get started? More on that coming right up, so stay tuned. Hey, so does affiliate marketing work and how do you get started? Okay, so basically with affiliate marketing, you want to focus on one thing, right? Because when I started, for example, I was skeptic like heck with affiliate marketing or anything that has to do with, working from home or making money online. But at that moment, I was ready for change. I wanted to redesign my life. I wanted to be there more for my loved ones. I wanted to, do things that I actually am passionate about and that I love doing. So I looked for affiliate marketing in that way, right? So I went online and I found people that were actually getting results, which that's your answer right there. And let me give you an example. So let's say if you are in a good marriage, right? You're having a good relationship. You're gonna really radiate that on to the world. So people are gonna look up for you, for for either advice or they're just gonna model after you because you actually are an authority or you're really radiating a good relationship. The same thing if you wanna, let's say somebody wants to lose weight and they see somebody that looks like the person they want to be, like somebody that's fit, somebody that build right. They want to model after that person, and they want to really know what they're doing, and they want to be trained by that person. This happens automatically. The same thing happens when it comes with affiliate marketing. You gotta know. You gotta find somebody that's getting the results that you wanted, that you want in your life, and just model after them. It's really as simple as that. You're gonna see, I understand there's a lot of stuff out there, a lot of scams, a lot of things out there, but you really wanna look into people that are real, look into people that are legit, look into people that are getting results, and just model after them. Forget about other people saying, because people say things based on their own experience, what they're experiencing. If they're miserable, if they're having a hard time, guess what? They're going to radiate that onto the world, and then if you let that sink into you, then you're gonna start feeling negative, and you're gonna get sucked into that mindset, right? So surround yourself with positive people, people that are getting results, and model after them. And there's a good probability that you're going to get similar results, right? That's what happened to me. I found a mentor. I surrounded myself with positive people because I understood that you become the average of the five people you surround yourself with the most. So if you surround yourself with negative people, people that are complaining, people that are not going anywhere, guess what? You're gonna behave in the same manner, and you're gonna feel stuck. And you might look at affiliate marketing as a scam based on where you at, based on the people that you're surrounding yourself with. So you have to outweigh that mindset of negativity by surrounding yourself with positive people. Realizing that there's a change to be made, and surrounding yourself with the people that you want to model after, right? If you want a good life, then you want to model after people that are having a good life. If you want a good relationship, then you want to listen and take advice from people that are already in a good relationship. You don't want to just get people that are in a miserable relationship, or either single, don't know where they're going, or people that are broke. If you want financial freedom, you want financial abundance, listening to broke people is not going to help you anything, because a lot of people, I've seen a lot of people out there, they're either broke, they're in a bad relationship, they're always giving people advice about how to save money or how to become financially free, but they're not there, themselves, or they don't have the mindset. Now, if somebody says, look, don't go this path because this is what happened to me, that's a good advice to follow, right? So you got to measure in that way, but always surround yourself with positive people, so that way you can attract positive results. Okay, so that's the thing. That's the same. That's what that applies to to affiliate marketing. All right, so Affiliate marketing is not a scam, and it really can work for you if you surround yourself with the right people. And let me mention, you got to pay attention to conversions too. Do you have a high converting, offer, right? You gotta make sure that you have a high converting offer. And what I mean by that is that if you have an offer that solves a problem, right? Then let's say you have 100 people, you have an audience of 100 people, and 10 of those people decide to to go into your offer and buy from you, or buy into the offer, right? Because it solves their problem, right? It offers them a solution. Then that's, you're doing fantastic. You're doing a fantastic job in, in conversions, as far as conversions, right? Let's say you have a thousand people, right? You have 1,000 people, and 100 of those people decide to buy your offer. That could be, let's say, $100, right? And that offer solves a problem. Guess what? That's $1,000 right there you made from 100 people, right? That's a thousand. $1,000, day that you had right there, because 1,000 people. Oh, I'm sorry. 100 people decided to go into your offer from an audience of 1,000 people, and they decided to join you, or buy your product. And that's, you're doing a fantastic job. Now if you have an audience of 100,000 people, and only like 2 people are buying, or nobody buys, then you got to pay attention to what audience are you marketing to. It has to match. If 100 people want to lose weight, and your offer is about training cats, guess what? That's not going to be a good conversion rate. You're going to have people run away from you right away, because they're not looking to train cats. They're looking to lose weight. Just giving you an example. So this is how you have to look at affiliate marketing. It will work for you only if you're surrounded with the right people, and if you have a high converting offer, and if you have the right audience. So pay close attention to that. Another thing with affiliate marketing is that you must model after people that are getting results, right? I probably mentioned this already, but just wanted to repeat that, because if you're surrounded with, as I mentioned, an example, if you're surrounded with people that are just talking bad about affiliate marketing, and they're saying that it's a scam and things like that, those people are probably not getting any results in it, and they're only speaking from where they're coming from, from their past experience or current experiences. So that's going to drag you down. So I can't stress enough the importance of surrounding yourself with the right people that are really going to places, people that are really getting results. And knowing this, is going to help you, get results with affiliate marketing. So it can work for you if you surround yourself with the right people, if you have the right audience, and if if you model after successful people, right? You gotta take action. You gotta model after them. What is it that they're doing? Ask yourself, what is it that they're doing that is getting them results, and reach out to them, and that's gonna help you get results. Okay. Now, putting that out of the way, now that you understand if whether affiliate marketing works or not, let me just go ahead and explain to you how to get started. Right. The first thing you have to do is you find a high converting offer. You find an affiliate program that's legit, that is genuine, that is really gonna help you get to places, right? That people are actually, you can see people getting results too. You see testimonials. You got to first find that program, right? Then follow the instructions, follow those steps in that program. Get educated with it. If you would like to know what is my #1 recommendation for affiliate program, I left a link below, which is my #1 recommendation for making a full-time income with affiliate marketing. So go ahead and click that link, enter the details, and get access to that free video. It's going to explain to you exactly, what is it that I do from home to earn income in affiliate marketing, a lot of times on autopilot, and what is it that a lot of people are doing nowadays to make it happen. So if you want to learn more, just click that link, enter the details, and get access. And but that's really how you get started. You pretty much find legit, real people. Again, when I started, or before I started, I was skeptic about working from home, those working from home things, and affiliate marketing and all that. but I need to change. I needed to really change my life and redesign my life so I can be happier and be there for my loved ones. So I found affiliate marketing, that would actually help me do that. And now I get to, be there for my loved ones. I get to do things that I love doing, with my wife and, other loved ones. And that's thanks to making a decision to really do something that would really help me become an, independent person, right? So with that being said, I hope you got a lot of value from this video. And if you would like to learn more about, something that you want to learn more about, just leave me in the comments, some ideas that you would like me to make a video on, and I'll be more than glad to do that. It will give me ideas as well. So go ahead and comment below this video if you liked it. And again, if you want to know what's my #1 recommendation, click the link below, and that will help you learn how to get started even today. Again, this is Michael de la Cruz. Have a wonderful, wonderful day. Thanks for tuning in. See you in the next video.